Hello, my name is Jason Salaya, and I'm with the Flowserve IoT team. And welcome to Destination Innovation. The topic I'll be discussing is achieving decarbonization through IoT. We recognize that governments and corporations around the world are increasingly focused on efforts to minimize climate change and are making investments to reduce carbon emissions. At Flowserve, we're diversifying, decarbonizing, and digitizing our offerings and operations to support our customers in achieving their ESG goals. Our products and services are a force multiplier in the energy transition movement, as the world shifts to cleaner forms of energy to reduce carbon emissions. Flowserve is uniquely positioned to support this global movement through this decarbonization journey. Many companies today have sustainability programs, and Flowserve is no different. However, sustainability is an understatement. You see, throughout our 230-year history, we've supported the world through some of its biggest challenges, while remaining focused on building the industry's most complete flow control solution portfolio. From the Industrial Revolution to the pandemic, our legacy has endured and will continue to do so as we adapt to meet the needs of our customers throughout this next chapter in history, decarbonization. For centuries, human activity has resulted in the release of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, increasing at an unprecedented rate when we started burning coal and other fossil fuels during the Industrial Revolution. As a result, our planet has been heating up with an average increase of 2.2 degrees Fahrenheit. In addition to rising temperatures, our planet is seeing warming oceans and extreme weather events. These events, combined with new technologies and an increased demand for energy, are fueling the need for energy transition and a more sustainable future. Digital transformation plays a critical role in attaining net zero carbon emissions. Let me show you how. IoT is simply connecting the unconnected, interconnecting people, places, and things over a network fabric without requiring human interaction. IoT continues to evolve, and today, with machine learning, we apply algorithms to predict future outcomes. As an example, large facilities require a lot of equipment data to improve operations, but many assets are not instrumented, and adding traditional wired sensors may not be an option due to the cost and complexities of deploying cables over long distances. Understanding these infrastructure constraints, Flowserve offers both a wired and wireless solution certified for hazardous and safe environments. To monitor the health of the asset and define the optimal operating settings, sensors are used to capture data where it is encrypted and transmitted over a secured network infrastructure using the latest cybersecurity standards. As part of Flowserve support services, we offer monitoring centers called FMCs. They are strategically positioned around the globe. FMCs are staffed with teams fully dedicated to our RedRaven customers, with subject matter expertise in pumps, seals, and valves. The FMC monitors the health of the asset and responds to alarms should any monitored parameters fall out of normal operating limits. Additional information can also be captured for a deeper analysis, such as compressed FFT spectrum. Furthermore, automated alerts prompt the local teams via the Insight portal, where equipment performance can be visualized safely and in real time from anywhere. Additionally, the FMC can coordinate with Flowserve's global footprint of repair centers, field support teams, and authorized distributors to implement suggested recommendations to resolve the problem. As Flowserve designs, manufactures, and maintains equipment, we possess the in-house expertise should additional support be necessary. The following is an example of our predictive analytics program designed for critical assets whose failure means shutting down a process or an entire plant, as well as resulting in significant financial impacts. Flowserve's RedRaven predictive analytics program identifies the asset showing signs of distress and suggests preventative actions to avoid catastrophic failures. In Flowserve's case, RedRaven monitors pumps, valves, and seals to aid in the prevention of unplanned shutdowns, optimize operating conditions, increase reliability, and monitor energy consumption and carbon reduction. Flowserve offers advanced flow control solutions that enhance energy efficiency, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and aid in decarbonization. We're doing our part to help make the world better for everyone, while positioning ourselves for the future through the use of our flow management technology and digitization with RedRaven. With the RedRaven IoT portfolio, we can monitor real-time performance by displaying the pump operating point against baseline data, while showing the status and raising warnings and alarms when an abnormality is detected. We can also identify the early detection of an upcoming failure by analyzing root causes and providing a maintenance recommendation. Through predictive analytics, we also determine energy optimization, where RedRaven analyzes the energy efficiency, calculates possible energy improvements by showing the effects of moving the operation closer to the best efficiency point. The system also makes recommendations for replacing worn parts, and we can show the user a calculated remaining time to maintenance to help the local teams plan for outages, not react to unplanned outages. RedRaven will analyze these performance changes and continuously update the remaining time to maintenance window. These are just a few of the advantages that RedRaven IoT solutions can offer you. As science has shown, the effects of climate change awaits for no one, and it will not stop. Therefore, the world is coming together to combat this issue that negatively impacts every facet of our lives and every generation after us. Science, through the use of RedRaven IoT technologies, will help us achieve our goals for a healthier future. This is Jason Salaya, and I'd like to thank you for your time. Please stop by the IoT chat room for additional information on RedRaven's IoT portfolio. Thank you.